Deep underground, beneath a sealed mountain cave, a research team made a discovery that changed everything. Dr. Ethan Cole, a senior entomologist, noticed an insect unlike any recorded species. It was small, thin, and almost invisible against the rock. What disturbed him wasn't its appearance. It was its behavior. When the cave lights were on, the insect stayed perfectly still. No movement, no reaction. But the moment the lights went off, it moved. Dr. Maya Lin watched in silence as the creature crawled with precision. Not randomly, but with purpose. It wasn't searching for food. It was reacting to sound, to breath. "This insect doesn't fear the dark," she whispered. "It was born in it." They named the species NOCTYRA, an insect that awakens only when humans cannot see. And they had no idea. They had just brought it into the light. Back in the laboratory, Dr. Ethan Cole prepared a controlled experiment. The insect, NOCTYRA, was placed inside a glass chamber. Lights on. Nothing happened. Lights off. Instantly, the insect began to move. Dr. Maya Lin held her breath as NOCTYRA changed direction. Not toward warmth, not toward sound, but toward human breathing. The closer Ethan leaned in, the faster it crawled. Then it stopped, only inches from his face. Not attacking, not biting, waiting. Ethan stepped back, his heartbeat racing. The insect reacted immediately. "That confirms it," Maya said quietly. "It hunts fear, not flesh." And for the first time, they realized the danger wasn't the insect. It was human panic. The warning came too late. That night, a security guard ignored the protocol and turned off the lights to rest. The room fell into complete darkness. Silence followed. Minutes later, the cameras captured something disturbing. NOCTYRA slipped out of the shadows, moving slowly, precisely, guided by the sound of breathing. It climbed onto the guard's bed and stopped near his chest. It didn't bite. It waited. By morning, the guard was found alive, but frozen. His eyes were open, his body unmoving. Doctors found no venom, no toxins, no injuries. Dr. Maya Lin stared at the medical report in disbelief. "There's nothing biological," she said. "Only extreme neural shutdown." Dr. Ethan Cole understood the truth. Fear hadn't followed the attack. Fear was the attack. After the incident, the lab was sealed. Dr. Ethan Cole reviewed the footage frame by frame. NOCTYRA never rushed, never attacked. It waited for one thing: fear. Dr. Maya Lin discovered a terrifying pattern. The insect reacted to changes in heart rate, breathing speed, and body tension. The moment panic increased, NOCTYRA moved closer. "It's not hunting bodies," Maya said. "It's hunting emotional signals." They ran another test. This time, Dr. Ethan controlled his breathing, slowed his pulse, and stayed calm. The lights went out. NOCTYRA stayed still. The conclusion was clear. As long as humans remain calm, the insect cannot attack. But fear is human nature, and NOCTYRA was learning fast. The next discovery frightened them more than the attack. Dr. Maya Lin noticed subtle changes in NOCTYRA's behavior. It no longer waited for total darkness. Dim light was enough. The insect began moving even when emergency lights were on, adjusting its path, learning human routines. It wasn't just responding anymore. It was adapting. Dr. Ethan Cole realized the truth too late. "The longer it stays with us," he said, "the more it understands us." They tried to relocate it back underground. But during transport, NOCTYRA disappeared from the container. No alarms, no damage, just an empty box. And a feeling that the darkness inside the lab was no longer empty.